Hey guys, welcome to Nelson Electric Breaks. Sorry for the delay. We were waiting on a payment. We just didn't receive it yet. But I'm gonna get right into it. How you guys doing tonight? So for the break, we got 4 playbooks and 4 hangers. So let's get into it. Appreciate you guys' patience. All right, I'll try. All right, let's start off. Keenan Allen, Josh Allen, Cousins, Mixon, Drake, Diggs, Darren Waller, Trubisky, Cooper, Mecole Hardman, Miller, Watson, Brian Burns, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Zach Martin. Got Antonio Gibson, start off. J.K. Dobbins next up. We're going to sleeve him up. I got my dad here. He's going to be sleeving them, so we'll get him in some classics for you guys. Carson Wentz, Sony Michel, Albert. Yeah, sorry. Right, Delpit, Joshua Kelly, Malcolm Perry, Antoine Winfield Jr. Here we go for the Broncos. Orange parallel Drew Lock, second year. Nice card. Another orange parallel for the Ravens, Mark Andrews. Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. Oh, Miami, orange. Oh, Malcolm Perry. And for the Bucks, Tony Winfield Jr. Couple nice cards. We'll get them sleeved up for you guys. Next box. Started off for the Patriots, Kale Harry, Chris Carson, Alshon Jeffrey, Ryan Tannehill, Blake Martinez, Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill, Kyle Van Noy, Dak, Mahomes for the Chiefs, Matthew Stafford, Brandon Cooks, Christian McCaffrey, Le'Veon Bell, George Kittle, Golden Tate. For rookies, we're going to start off with Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Nice hit. Next up. Next one. Another one for the Redskins. Antonio Gandy Golden. Nice hit. Another one for you. Deadly Cobra. Sony Michel, another hit for the Patriots. Blitz Cooper Kupp. Joe Reed for the Chargers. For the Jets, Denzel Mims. Eagles, John Hightower. For the Bucks, Keyshawn Vaughn. Eagles, Quez Watkins. It's like a purple parallel. We got for the Washington, Terry McLaurin. Nice hit again for Washington. For the Jags, Gardner Minshew. Ravens, Patrick Queen. Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Nice hit for the Raiders. Last, Donovan Peoples-Jones for the Browns. Couple good hits for you guys. Next box. Starting off for the Raiders, Darren Waller, Mitchell Trubisky, Philip Rivers, Julio, Lamar Jackson, Terry McLaurin, Gardner, Dalvin Cook, Jared Goff, Zach Martin, Deion Jones, Geno Atkins, Kyler, Devin Singletary, Derek Carr, Roquan Smith. For next up, we got Justin Herbert. There you go. Chargers. Let me see that three. Started off. Nice hit for you there. For the Bills, we got Josh Allen, Nick Chubb, Miles Sanders, Cam Akers for the Los Angeles Rams. Nice looking card there. Osborne, the Vikings, the Jets, Michael P. Ryan. The Ravens, James Prochet. For the Bills, AJ Epineza. Texans, Randall Cobb, the Orange Parallels. Carolina, we got Curtis Samuel. Another one for the Ravens, Justin Tucker. Oof. Van Jefferson, Orange Parallels, nice card there. And the last, Jordan Brooks for the Seahawks. Let's leave it at that Jefferson for you. It's a nice card there. Yeah, Herbert is a nice card. Next box we got. Starting off, we got Alshon Jeffrey, Ryan Tannehill, Blake Martinez, Nick Chubb, Taysom Hill, Kyle Van Noy, Keenan Allen, Josh Allen, Brandon Cooks, Christian McCaffrey, Le'Veon Bell, George Kittle, Golden Tate, Drew Lock, second year, Mark Andrews, Christian Kirk, So next up, we got for the Eagles, Jalen Hurts. Nice hit for the Eagles. Nice hit for the Eagles. Nice card. Also, for the Rams, Van Jefferson. Another nice Van Jefferson. I think this kid's going to be pretty good. Definitely, especially with Stafford now. Somebody actually can get him the ball. Get that in the sleeve. Nice card there. Next, we got Tony Pollard for the Blitz. Tyler Lockett for the Seahawks. Some rookies for the Bills. Gabriel Davis. He's coming along. San Fran, we got Juwan Jennings. Panthers. Peter Gross-Matos. The Ravens. J.K. Dobbins. Nice hit for the Ravens there. Nice hit. Damon Arnett for the Raiders. For the Bears, the purple parallels. Roquan Smith. Bears. Randall Cobb for the Texans. Yiders Gross-Matos, again for the Panthers. Nice purple parallel. Ravens, J.K. Dobbins once again. There you go. Last, Damon Arnett for the Raiders. Well, nice cards there. Nice hit. Purple with purple right there. Nice hit. Let's leave up this Damon Arnett. All right. Let's try and get some autos in here. Let's get 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty box. 4 packs. All right, first pack. Tree Cohen for the Bears. Marvin Jones for the Lions. Good card. Purple parallel. Isaiah Coutier. Coldler. And KJ Hill. Oh, there we go. Nice hit for the Lions. DeAndre Swift, base rookie. Nice card for the Lions. There you go, Detroit. Next pack. Starting it off, Matt Ryan for Atlanta. Big Ben. Dak, purple parallel. Nice hit for the Cowboys. Next we got Tyler Johnson, Tampa Bay Bucks. Nice base rookie there. Last, Freddie Swain, the Seahawks. Dak. Started off DK Metcalf, second year. Guy's an absolute beast. Alvin Kamara, another beast. Next up, Jalen Hurts. Nice hit for the Eagles. Let's leave that up for you. Another one. Nice hit, Philly. There you go, Philly. Right in front. Next in the pack, Willie Gay Jr. And another Jalen Hurts, base rookie. Nice hit again for the Eagles. Another nice hit. Great looking card. Got another stand here. Next to the other one. All right, last pack. Yeah, should be in here. It feels a little thick. All right, for the Colts, Marlon Mack. I'm gonna try and save that. We got Naheem Hines for the Colts. A.J. Dillon for the Packers. C.J. Henderson for the Jags. Let's see this Dillon here. Good hit for the Packers. And for the looks like the jersey. Next up, Jerry Jeudy. Looks like gold for the Broncos. Nice hit, Denver. Let's look this up for you guys. You want to just one of these? Nice hit. Sleep. I need to stand. Get this box ready. How's everybody doing tonight? Who you guys think is going to win on Sunday? Get 4 packs again. Empty box. I said Jordan Love. All right, I'll try. Bucks defense will win. Yeah, they've been playing good. You can't count out the go. Start off. Derrick Henry. There's the other guy. Patrick Mahomes base. Right there for the Chiefs. Let's leave that up for you. The Saints. Purple parallel. Adam Trautman. He's hit for the Saints. Harrison Bryant for the Browns. Kayvon Chasen, Jags. Next back. Sean Gary. Green Bay. Oh, so we're getting an auto on this one. Hold off on that. Start off on the back. Colin Johnson for the Jags. Nice up there. There we go. The auto is Michael Pirine for the Jets. Nice hit there. Leave that up for you. Need a thicker. Last two cards, Carson Wentz and Jerry Jeudy, again for the Broncos. Nice card there. Start off for the Browns, Baker. Stafford. Looks like we got a purple parallel here. One of the Jags, Josh Allen. Next one. Colts rookie, Michael Pittman Jr. Base. I think this kid's going to be pretty good. Next, for the Lions, Quintez Cephus. Couple nice rookies there. Back. Starting off for the Bucs, Eric Gronk. Texans, we got Brandon Cooks. And Blitz, John Ross III for the Bengals. Next card we got for the Jets, James Morgan. Last for the Eagles, Jason Huntley. Next box. Yeah, hopefully we can get some more quarterback rookies here for you guys. Empty box. 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Go. For the Raiders, Darren Waller. For the Panthers, we got Teddy Bridgewater. And also Jeremy Chin, rookie, purple parallel for the Panthers. Discard. Again for the Panthers, Derek Brown. 3 Panthers in a row. Last for Miami, rookie card, Tua Tagovailoa. There we go, Miami. Miami's on the board now. Nice card. For the Dolphins. Another stand in here. Stupid things. Tua. There you go, Cobra. Start off for the Colts. Phillip Rivers. Sam Darnold. For the Bills, Devin Singletary. Purple parallel. There's a card there for Buffalo. Charger. Rookie. Come on. Ooh, Joshua Kelly. Again. And again, Dolphin. Rookie. Malcolm Perry. Damn. Close. This one. Start off with Falcons. Julio Jones. Nick Bosa for 49ers. We got an insert here. Jalen Samuels. Zoning Commission. The Steelers. Next card. For the Bucks. Antoine Winfield Jr. He sit there for the Bucks. For the Vikings, rookie Justin Jefferson. There we go. Nice hit for the Vikings. I personally think he should be Rookie of the Year. I think they're just going to give it to Justin, but this kid played a hell of a season. Nice card there for the Vikings. Last pack. This one feels thick. We got Trubisky. The jerk. Oh shit. I think this is a big one, guys. I'm going to put these right down here. I think we got them, guys. Oh, no, shit. Hunter Henry. Chargers. Damn. Oh, there's a redemption on the back, so I'm not going to show the back, but try and cover that up. Saw the Charger logo. But damn, that was close. The Blitz, Ronald Jones. Albert O, Denver. Last we got Cleveland, Grant Delpit. Last box, guys. Cards, packs. Box. 2, 3, 4. First pack. Ryan Kerrigan. Cortland Sutton. For LA, we got a rookie, purple parallel, and Jefferson. Nice hit there for the Rams. Put that down. Rams was a miss tonight. Nice hit. For the Chargers, Joe Reed. For the Jets, Denzel Mims. Start off for the Patriots, Sony Michel. For the Lions, Marvin Jones Jr. For the Chargers, purple parallel. Oh, doesn't look like a rookie. Keenan Allen, San Diego. Still a nice hit there for the Chargers. For the Eagles, don't tell me it's another one. Rookie. Oh, Quiz Watkins for the Eagles. And last, for the Giants, Xavier McKinney. Next up, for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. For the Steelers, we got Big Ben. Bryce Love, zoning commission for the Washington football team. Next up, Tennessee, Christian Fulton. Last, for the Washington, Antonio Gandy Golden. Last pack. I just first want to thank you guys for coming out and supporting me tonight. Just starting out doing these breaks. We have a couple that we've done. I appreciate you guys supporting and subscribing. We got our Instagram. We're going to be posting more breaks and with the times. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming out and supporting me tonight. Let's see if we can end it on a good note here. Start off, Jack Doyle for the Colts. For the looks like a jersey, guys. It is Darius Slayton, numbered. Hot Roots, 146 out of 299 for the Giants. Got next up, Jordan Love. There you go, JJ. Last pack. Well, we got him. Let's leave that up for you. Nice looking card there. Hell yeah. The Eagles, John Hightower. Last, Tampa Bay, Keyshawn Vaughn. That's it. All right, let me grab these, show you guys the hits for tonight. Again, I appreciate you guys coming out, supporting. We got Jordan Love. You just saw Darius Slayton. Hunter Henry for the Chargers. J.K. Dobbins, purple parallel, purple on purple. This is a nice card for the Ravens there. Nice. Jalen Hurts, number 1. Jalen Hurts, number 2. Back to back. Nice. It is for the Eagles there. Van Jefferson, 3 of them. Big hits for the Rams. Got a purple parallel. Nice orange one. And next up. Nice card there for the Rams. Another one for the Eagles. Jalen Hurts base rookie. You guys think he's starting next year? I think they're going to trade once. I think they should just do it. Tua. Miami. Good hit for the Dolphins there. Jefferson. Vikings. Jerry Jeudy. Gold. I don't think this one's numbered. No. Still a very nice card. Nice orange patch. Michael Pirine auto for the Jets. Last but not least, Justin Herbert for the Chargers next up. Nice hit for the Chargers. So that's it for tonight, guys. We're going to have a bunch of breaks next week. We're going to have a football prism and contenders. We're going to throw in some contenders in there too. We got a big break for the football. And if you guys are interested in some basketball, we have a pretty big NBA hoops coming up. We just got a bunch of mega boxes and blasters. So if you guys are interested, look us up next week. We'll be on next Friday. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming out, supporting us. And I guess see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.